respects my space and never makes me wait. And he calls exactly when he says he will. He's close to my mother, talks business with my father. He's charming.